Looking to upgrade your sewing setup? Whether you're a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional tailor, choosing the right sewing machine can make all the difference. With so many models available, some smart, some heavy-duty, and others ideal for small spaces, you may feel critical about choosing the best one. That's why I've done the work for you. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best sewing machines on the market right now. Here you will get everything from budget-friendly options to feature-packed machines built for pros. Check the product link in the description to find the perfect sewing companion for you. The 5th product on our list is SINGER M1500. If you're looking for a premium yet budget-friendly sewing machine, you can choose the SINGER M1500. It delivers performance, precision, and portability. The SINGER M1500 lightweight and portable sewing machine with accessory kit is just what you need. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for taking to sewing class or working in smaller spaces without compromising on power. You will get 57 built-in stitch applications, including zigzag, blind hem, multi-step zigzag, and decorative scallop. You can use them smoothly. Moreover, with a 4-step buttonhole, you can tackle everything from fashion design to quilting and everyday mending. The preset stitch length and width take the guesswork out of sewing, making it incredibly easy to use, even if you're just starting out. You'll love the simple stitch selector dial that displays each stitch. Just turn the dial, choose your stitch, and start sewing. Threading is quick and stress-free, thanks to easy-to-follow guides marked directly on the machine. It also comes with everything you need to get started: all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, seam ripper, bobbins, needles, screwdriver, and a soft dust cover. Whether you're bringing your creative ideas to life or fixing that ripped seam in a pinch, this machine keeps things smooth and simple. Ready to turn your sewing dreams into reality? The SINGER M1500 makes it effortless, and it's a budget-friendly machine that delivers reliable performance. The 4th place on our list is SINGER Heavy Duty 4423. This SINGER Heavy Duty 4423 is the best sewing machine for its powerful motor and all-metal frame. So, you can sew through thick fabrics like denim and leather easily. With 50% more power and 1,100 stitches per minute, you'll fly through thick seams and bulky fabrics with ease. Whether you're hemming jeans, crafting home decor, or customizing a delicate piece, this machine is built to handle it all. You'll love the 97 stitch applications, from basic and stretch to decorative and one-step buttonholes. Plus, the automatic needle threader saves your eyes and time by threading the needle for you in seconds. The adjustable presser foot pressure makes it equally effective on light and heavy fabrics. Hence, it will give you full creative control. It's built tough, too, with a heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate for smooth, skip-free sewing. And thanks to the top drop-in bobbin and bright LED lighting, your workflow stays effortless from start to finish. You'll also get essential accessories right in the box: feet, tools, and a dust cover, all neatly packed in the accessory tray. Looking for power, precision, and durability in one stylish machine? Then this SINGER Heavy Duty 4423 may be the best sewing companion your creative journey truly deserves. The 3rd product on our list is the Brother XM2701. This Brother XM2701 is the best feature-packed sewing machine because, despite being lightweight, it provides you consistent and high-speed stitching. Hence, you can handle both delicate fabrics and heavier materials. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a skilled sewist working on everyday projects, this lightweight, feature-rich machine has everything you need to create with ease and confidence. You get 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, stretch, blind hem, and even a one-step auto-size buttonhole for professional finishes. The automatic needle threader takes the frustration out of setup, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin keeps your stitching smooth and uninterrupted. With 6 quick-change sewing feet, from buttonhole to zipper and blind stitch, it adapts to whatever you're working on. Plus, the versatile free arm makes sewing sleeves, pant legs, and cuffs incredibly easy. You'll love the thoughtful extras like the twin needle, bobbins, needle set, and a handy instructional DVD to get you started. Backed by a 25-year limited warranty and lifetime online technical support, you can count on reliability and peace of mind for years to come. Looking for the best feature-packed sewing machine that grows with your skills and simplifies every project? The Brother XM2701 is where ease meets excellence, one stitch at a time. The second product on our list is the SINGER Heavy Duty 4452. If you're serious about sewing and want the best premium machine that can truly keep up with your creativity, the SINGER Heavy Duty 4452 is your perfect match. Built for power, speed, and performance, this premium machine handles everything from denim and canvas. Thus, it will delicately shear fabrics easily. Its powerful motor gives you enhanced piercing power and extra high speed, so you can glide through thick layers without skipping a beat. You get 110 stitch applications for every technique imaginable, like basic, stretch, decorative, and even a one-step buttonhole. Also, the top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover makes threading a breeze. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to smooth, jam-free sewing. The built-in needle threader saves your eyes and time, while the heavy-duty full metal frame ensures years of stability and durability. With premium accessories like 6 presser feet, including a non-stick foot for leather, you're ready to bring professional quality designs to life. Whether you're customizing home decor or starting your fashion line, this machine gives you the tools, power, and precision to do it all. Want results that look store-bought but made by you? The SINGER 4452 can be the premium choice for you with its industrial-grade power and user-friendly features. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Brother CS7000X. If you're looking for the best overall sewing machine with amazing performance, convenience, and incredible value, you'll love the Brother CS7000X. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced sewist, this computerized sewing and quilting machine is designed to make every stitch easier and smoother. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, quilting, and heirloom, you can let your creativity run wild. It also includes 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, making button projects a breeze. The easy-to-read LCD, improved automatic needle threader, and fixed needle bar give you full control while working on everything from clothing to quilts. You'll appreciate the wide detachable table, perfect for larger quilting projects. Moreover, the smaller free arm is ideal for sleeves, cuffs, and tighter spaces. It even includes 10 presser feet, a quilt guide, and a hard protective case, so you can carry your machine confidently to classes or sewing groups. You will get it paired with the Brother 5300A hard case for added protection and effortless portability. It is durable, compact, and stylish. Also, it fits machines up to 16.26 inches wide. Looking to upgrade your sewing game with a machine that truly does it all? The CS7000X can be the best overall sewing machine for its best performance and result. That's all for our list of the 5 best sewing machines on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.